Hello everyone, how are you today? What is human dignity? Common definition. You hear the term human dignity a lot these days. Human dignity is at the heart of human right. What is human dignity exactly? What is the history of this concept and why does it matter? In this article, we will discuss the history of the term, its meaning, and it is placed in both a human right framework and a religious framework. What is human dignity? It is most basic. The concept of human dignity is the belief that all people hold a special value that sticks solely to their humanity. It has nothing to do with their class, race, gender, religions, or any other factor other than them being human. The term dignity has, over the years, originally the Latin, English, and French word for dignity did not have anything to do with a person value. It allied most closer with someone's. If someone's was dignified, it meant they had a high status. They belong to royal or courts, or the very last they had money. For this reason, human dignity does not appear in the U.S. Declaration of Independence or the Constitution. The phrase we understand it today was until the United Nations, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Human dignity, the human rights framework. The original meaning of the word dignity that someone respect because of their status in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. That concept was turned on its head. Article 1. All human beings are born free and in dignity and right. Suddenly, dignity was in something that people eat because of their class, race, or another advent. It is something all humans are born with. Simple being human, all people deserve respect. Human rights naturally spring from their dignity. Human dignity, the religious framework. The concept of human dignity limited to human rights. In fact, for centuries, religions around the world have a form of human dignity as we now understand. Religious teach that humans are essentially equal for one reason or another. In Christianity, Islam and Judaism, it is because humans were created in the image of God, become children of God. Dignity is sometimes that a divine being gives to people. In Catholic social teaching, the phrase human dignity is used specifically to support the Church's belief that every human life is sacred. This definition to social issue like ending the death penalty. Thank you everyone. God bless you.